Hey guys, I oomed and ahed about posting these nails because of the situation going on where they had to delay the movie, but I've been waiting 10 years for this film and I want to show my Black Widow pride. So, if you and I did these Black Widow nails, keep watching. So, on my ring finger I painted gold. And then the rest of the nails I painted red. And there you guess what that looks like. So with the red nails, I just applied a foil glue because I'll be adding glitter. Then just waited for that foil glue to go clear. I will be using my Bowie London red glitter in Royal Ruby. It's not hollow, but it's still gorgeous. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm just patting that into my nail, making sure it's all fully covered. Using a bit that's fallen on the paper to spread it around. And just dusting and dusting and dusting. And then my final touch is I always use my finger to rub in the glitter to make it flat. That way you don't have no accidental jagged bits. And then I applied a top coat to that to seal it all in. So with my Bowie London Cosmic 03 plate, I forgot to record it, I'm so sorry. But I stamped the gun. Then with a light silver, I'm just painting the top of the gun. And with a dark grey, I just painted the handle. And I left that to the side while it dried and just applied a foil glue to my ring finger. No, my middle finger. No, my ring finger. And just stamped that on my nail once it had gone tacky. And then I was so excited when I saw in the trailer that Black Widow was wearing her gold belt, finally. So here I'm just painting the Black Widow emblem. So I started off with applying a glossy top coat because we're going to be using some acrylic paint. And so with red acrylic paint, I'm just painting that Black Widow symbol and filling it in with red. So I used the acrylic paint so that I wouldn't mess up because I just went over the top of it with that same red polish I used earlier. And once that had dried, I just used some foil glue to put some glitter on the sign. It kind of went lumpy, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. But here I am just brushing in the glitter to the Black Widow logo, same as earlier. And here I'm just applying a top coat. And then with a black polish, I'm just outlining the logo to make it pop. Like, she might kill you, but Black Widow is also sparkly inside. And I was really inspired for my index and pinky nails by this post I saw with the redacted files and the red and white on separate sides. So using a straight vinyl, I placed it diagonally across my nail. And then I filled in the bottom part of my nail with a white polish. This is my favourite from Colour Club, it's One Step French Tip. And just peeled off that vinyl while it was still wet. And did some cleanup, because cleanup is a pain. And just fixing the line a little bit with extra polish and a detail brush. And so with my Bowie London Pro, I'll leave what number it is below, I stamped these little straight lines. I thought they could be the redacted files. I thought it was pretty cool. And just some cleanup and applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Black Widow nails. A lot went into this design, but I'm so happy the way they came out. I thought they were funky. The glitter just makes it cool. Well, I've done another Black Widow design on my channel and it's just black and red, so I thought do something a little different this time. So I am super gutted that this movie's been delayed. I mean, come on, I've been waiting 10 years for it. But obviously, we're still going to get it in November, so just have to be patient, because it's understandable with everything that's going on at the moment. Instead, I'll just have to binge watch every other Marvel movie like I've been doing anyway. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and if you like this, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!